feeding souls.
Bangkok day 3. We went to our last cooking class and it was phenomenal. The host was beautiful and sweet and fun. And we first started off at the Don Wai market. I was blown away. The level of cleanliness and all the vegetables that they had there, I was literally could not keep up. I wanted to take pictures of everything, and they had all these beautiful Thai flowers, edible flowers that they put in all the dishes, and it's just some of the things that you don't normally see in the regular markets or in the supermarket.
I don't have any idea about management.
We got to the restaurant where we had the cooking class and met Chef Oi. Chef Oi of Oi Wan could not be any cuter. Oh my goodness. We made beautiful dishes. We served it beautifully. We pounded so much herbs and all these things to make green curry. We were pounding for quite a while, but we had a lot of fun, and it was a beautiful time to connect. We had mango sticky rice, we had grilled avocado salad, and green curry. It was a beautiful last cooking class, and what I told my guests was, you know what, you guys, you are an expert now. This is our 3rd cooking class, our last cooking class together. Are you good?
Oh, yeah, no, that's good. No, that's good.
Nothing is really over-intimidating anymore. You already know how to taste, how to feel, how to touch, what all these herbs pretty much represent, and they honestly really took that to heart. Just hung out, really enjoyed the space and the people, and we had so much fun. We finished up and went home, took a little rest, and had a beautiful farewell dinner. I'm gonna keep changing it up. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
He knows us.
All the ingredients that he served, like the Australian steak or the gung mae nam and the lobster that he had, they were just perfectly created and served in the environment of being served in this 100-year-old house. Couldn't have been a better setting for our farewell dinner.
Well, can you still remember the name of the dessert? You were such a good memory man. Broken bucket, you know. After 29 years, you still remember. So now we make a bucket. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
We had an awesome host. Pundit could not have entertained us any more than we could ever imagine. We had beautiful, funny stories, and because a lot of the people in our group are restaurateurs, we connected on another level. If only we could bottle his energy and we could just put him in our suitcase and take him home with us, we would have the best time and probably open a really fun Thai restaurant. The dinner was beautiful.
So this one is a Thai whiskey called Mango. So we blend some on the top of the chicken.
Mushroom? Yes.
Italian, that's why it's no nuts, so no problem.
Thank you.
Drive her to the hospital.
I
Yeah.
have a small bite, it's my big one, so it's on my back.
Cheers! Cheers! It was a great time where we connected and laughed and tears came out, but it was just one of those moments where, you know what, at the end of the day, it's just all about connecting. And we had created a lifelong, beautiful bond, and we have already started planning other trips and reunions in the States. So I would have to say we had a beautiful farewell dinner that day. Surprise! We hope that we have fully fed your soul on the Nikki Thailand foodie trip.
Burger King. Yeah. And you were the first one. Awesome.
That is awesome. And the problem is that this time was there actually at the time that I
Nikki Feeding Souls.